Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the source Mac so the transfer is clean. Sign into the App Store with your Apple ID and make sure Logic Pro X is authorized. This avoids licensing issues later. Once done, open Logic, update the sound library, and note installed third-party plugins so you can reinstall them. Export each project using File Project Management Consolidate, which collects audio and assets. This step preserves file paths and prevents missing files on the new Mac. Now transfer the app and content. You can use Migration Assistant to move applications and user files, or re-download Logic Pro X on the new Mac for a cleaner install. Next, copy system and user audio folders, /library/audio, /library/audio, and /music/logic, using an external drive or network transfer. These contain libraries and samples. Make sure to install the exact versions of third-party plugins and run their authorizations. Otherwise, Logic will show missing plugins and ask you to relink or finish by verifying projects on the target Mac. Open a transferred project and allow Logic to rescan plugins. If files are missing, use File Project Management to relink. Make sure your audio interface is set up and buffer sizes are optimized to avoid X runs. If you encounter plugin errors, reinstall or authorize them and check that plugin versions match. As a final tip, if samples are offline, search both /library and /library folders. Missing assets usually live in one of those two locations, so relinking there fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.